Indian classical music is such a big ocean. It's very difficult to sum everything up very fast. But just some important things जो आप लोग याद रख सकते हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगा. India is the only country where we have two systems of classical music. One is from the north and one is from the south. Or the main, I think the main aspect of Indian classical music is our strength or our freedom to glide and slide, which is, I think, alien to any other culture of music. So like I said earlier, that all these elements where we are able to glide, we call it meaned, it's pretty much sliding and gliding. So I'll just show you some of that and talk more about Indian classical music. These are all basically vocal elements. We are trying to sing. हम साज के ज़रिए गाते हैं. So whatever we are singing within, we are trying to reproduce in the instrument. So we have ragas, thousands of ragas, and we have ragas for different times of the day. Morning ragas, early morning, late morning, early afternoon, early evening, late evening. It's like an ocean out there. So late night ragas. But of all these ragas, some ragas have become extremely popular. So raga basically, I mean, to simplify it, is a scale. It's a combination of notes, of ascending and descending notes. So I'll present a rag called Rag Yaman, which is a very well-known and common rag, especially for beginners. Though it's many people start teaching classical music with Yaman, but this rag itself is an ocean, and I think even a lifetime is not enough to understand it and to handle its beauty. So I'll just play a little bit of Rag Yaman, and I'll be improvising within these 7 notes of this rag. So the notes here basically are that's how you go up, and the way you come down. So I'll improvise just within these notes. I can't use any alien notes apart from these notes. So we have compositions within these notes. We have these notes, we can play it in different time cycles, and we can't, and it can be played for 2 minutes, for 2 hours, for 5 hours. I mean, it can just go on. But this is what classical music is, that there's no rule book as to how it should be presented. Every artist has his or her own take. So इसी राग में I'll play a composition. We call it bandesh or rachna. So we have different time cycles also, 10 beats, 16 beats, 9.5 beats, 9.25 beats. But the most common time cycle is 16 beats. So I'll play a composition इसी में राग यमन में तीन ताल में. 16 beats is called तीन ताल. We also have a lot of embellishments. Embellishments मतलब कोई चीज़ खूबसूरत जैसे बनाते हैं, एक चीज़ हम बहुत तरीके से we can convey. Like just few notes, I'll play it how we can convey it in so many different ways. And we have a lot of technical terms, something called gamak, which is this. You're pretty much sliding between two notes. इसको गमक कहते हैं. There's something called murki, which is this. So this is all to beautify. The notes are this. But इसको खूबसूरत बनाना है तो. So few notes like the combination we do this. So now this I'll play it in a few ways. And this is all the beauty of classical music कि हम लोग to incorporate emotion, to incorporate atmosphere, moods, swings, everything, it all changes. So you're pretty much writing something on stage, or everything is happening right there on stage. So these notes, इसी चीज़ को I'll play in many different ways. So these kind of improvisations, now all this I think you incorporate from your journey, from your experiences, आपने जितना सुना है, absorbing is something very important, not just maybe in classical music but in life. जितना आप सुनेंगे, if you are a good listener, जितना आप absorb करेंगे, you should incorporate that in your journey of life, be it in music, be it in your personal life, in so many ways. So this is what it is. And classical music, I mean, has been one of the greatest things which we have in our country. Or it's linked to spirituality also. Because Nad Brahma, Samved, all these things were the starting point of classical music. And over the period of years, it all developed into the very defined structures we have today. So I think we are very blessed that we have this art form which is now used for meditation, which is used for healing. तो इतने सारे गुण हैं क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक के, और अगर आप एक आर्टिस्ट हैं, वो अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी खुदा की देन है.